The EOM program is the Essentials of Manufacturing program, and it's a 2-year program that focuses on developing manufacturing skills for people who are right out of college.
You get a ton of exposure across the company in a couple years working at one site and sort of traveling all around the country to work on projects at different Saint-Gobain sites during that time too.
Since my time with EOM, I became the WCM coordinator, so now I'm launching WCM teams to help improve some of the gaps that we have at our site.
I was very much involved in software automation projects, and that definitely paved the way to my current role, which is manufacturing 4.0 engineer.
I'm based out of Claremont, North Carolina, so I'm the purchasing agent for them. I work with CapEx projects, operational expenditure projects, and I'm also a buyer for the new stone plant that we're building.
I transitioned from the engineering department to the production department, where I help manage one of our bigger shingle production lines. Now, 2 years in, I had another opportunity to step up to a production manager role in Florida at this CertainTeed ceilings plant. The job functions are similar to what I do now, but I get to work on a new process.
With the EOM program, it allowed me to be a much more confident engineer.
The mentorship was a big help. A lot of my jobs right now is communicating directly with plant managers and controllers, and my boss himself is a director of operations. So my mentor was also a director of operations boss. So that kind of set me up to be more familiar in how the interactions would go.
If you have a track record of success and you make it known what you want to do in your career, then the people that help coordinate the EOM program are going to help you get there.
The program just opens you up to so many different areas of expertise. You're going to have a much wider knowledge of the entire process rather than if you were to just take a role as a full-time person at a different job, at a different company.